Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I just did my last video with my horseshoe necklace sideways. I wonder if anybody will notice. Will you notice? Well, did you notice? I don't know. I'm recording a couple videos today because I've got several things all at once. So, knock them out. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. Getting so close to 1,700 subscribers. And there will be a giant giveaway, which is very cool. Looking forward to it. Today I have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm so excited. And I know what's in here, but it's always different to see these things in person. And I've got the prices for everything in the total of the box. And this is about 30 bucks a month with the shipping and handling. So, and it's been worth it lately. It sure has been worth it. So, and I got to choose some of these items, so, I can't complain about them all. I won't complain about any of them because it's all pretty good. Let's start with something I'm very excited about. And this is from Dermatolectives. It's a body scrub. It's $55. It's sealed. I'm not going to open it. It's got my little makeup print on it. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to get dried out yet. But it smells, I can smell a little bit of it, and it smells delightful. And this is $55. There must be some great oils and potions, and everything's written really small and black against this green scrub. So it's hard for me to read more about it, but I love to exfoliate my skin. It is very nice, especially this time of year when things are starting to turn cooler and the skin gets drier, and I'm getting to be an older lady. From Earth Harbor. Wow, like we don't get enough Earth Harbor in our boxes anymore. Cloudburst balancing gel hydrator, and it says a burst of hydration as light as a cloud. It's a gel hydrator, drenches skin in long-lasting moisture and clarifying botanicals that prep skin's microbiome for the day ahead. So this is great to use in the morning. And it's $28. And it's a beautiful, beautiful color. It's very shimmery. I wonder if you shake it up. You might shake it up. It might not need to be shaken up because it's kind of a gel. But that's very cool, and it's a very generous size. It is 60 milliliters or 2 fluid ounces for 28 bucks. That's really good. And it's a nice prep for your morning skincare. So far, so good. Oh, we've got the bag. I almost forgot there's a bag, and there's something in the bag. And this month's bag is fantastic. I love it. It's spooky ooky, and I love the spooky ooky. And here's the card. And if I didn't say, this is the October 2022 box. And it's got some ideas for some last minute costumes. And inside here we have from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna the Stunna lip paint in Uncuffed 03, and this is a beautiful color. Let me try to open it from the other end. So I won't get it back inside this correctly if I don't open it this end. And it's a beautiful natural kind of color. Now this does not dry down matte. I'm not going to open it because it's going to make a great gift for Christmas. I'm shopping. I'm already Christmas shopping. I'm already trying to get things together for the Christmas. So this is great, and it's 25 bucks. We've got 2 things left. We have Kill Lash Super Proof Mascara Extreme Volume. Beautiful packaging, and this is in number 4. It says Extreme Volume. CeeLo Kill Lash Super Proof Mascara 04, and it has some kind of Asian characters. I don't know if it's Korean or Japanese or what, but it's a very beautiful looking mascara. I'm not going to open it because that starts the clock on the mascara, and I have a lot of mascaras right now. And this is a $18 mascara, which is a pretty good price. And then last but not least, we have one of my favorites, like my all-time favorites, like all-time. It's from Stila, one of my very favorite companies who is completely underrated. And this is a Stay All Day dual-ended waterproof liquid eyeliner. And I love their eyeliner. It is such great quality. And it is double-ended. See, here we go. I believe it's got a fat side and a skinny side. And I've been using Il Makiage eyeliner and I've been loving it. So this would be the skinny side. Look how thin that is. And this would be the thicker side. Look how much thicker that is. I held it up to my face for contrast because it's so pale. But this is great, and this is $30. And it's usually like 20 bucks for their eyeliner, but since it's double-ended, you're getting two eyeliners in one, which is very cool. So this total for this month's bag is $156, which is pretty good. And we've got the Earth Harbor, got the body scrub, got the Fenty lip, we've got the mascara, and we've got the eyeliner. So this is a great bag this month. I'm totally happy with it. I'm going to do something special and fancy with this bag. Don't ask me what yet, but I will do something special and fancy. And I want to thank you guys for being with me here today. I will see you real soon. Have a great day or the day of your choice. Bye.